Welcome everybody to Whiteboard Wednesdays, another high quality production. Today we're talking about return on investment. Now this came up as a result of some questions that I had on equity. So I want to jump into it. The, definition is the gain or loss generated from the investment relative to the amount of money that you put into the deal. But more simply, I suppose the way to look at it is your total return divided by the invested amount, or the amount that you've invested. Now, there's a number of ways you can actually calculate the return on investment depending on what it's for, if it's for property, shares. Now, in this instance, we're going to talk about a specific deal. So we've bought a property, sold, and what's actually happened, rather than comparing it to the rent. And we're going to use a cost method, so the total amount that we've invested over time. So in this instance here, we've got a $100,000 asset. Over 1 year, it's cost us $10,000, and at the end, it's worth $200,000. So figure out what the return is. You get the total gain, 200,000, and you minus it from our total cost. That's 100 plus the 10, it's $110,000. 110 minus, or 200,000 minus 110 is $19,000. Divide that by the total cost amount, you've got a total ROI of 0.81 or 81%. So next week, I want to talk to you about how your ROI gets affected by some leverage, and then also what the total invested amount is and how we look at that. Is it the total cash that we've invested, or is it the total investment being, the debt that we've got on top of the cash? So if you've got any questions, feel free to dip in. If you've got some friends that will benefit, tag them, share it, and I'll talk to you all soon.